niguo gutigirira munini wake ndanathinikana na ari na mawira makinyaneru ma kuruta thirikari-ini. Mutongoria wa bururi ndagitari William Ruto niarutite riathani ria mawira maria meguthukirwo munini wake.
Subsequent to the election,
kuringana na gicunji kiigana rimwe ria 47 gia gatiba ya bururi, mawira ma munini wa mutongoria wa bururi ni makoragwo mareirwo riathani ria president umuthi rikiongerera ithabu ria mawira maria munini wake Rigathi Gachagua abatie kuruta.
As I promised, my deputy is going to be a very busy person.
Akiaria hindi ya kwanirira maretwo ma andu aria mekumba ndundu yake aminista, mutongoria wa bururi nianireire thengia wa mawira maria munini wake athukirwo gicunji-ini kiigana rimwe ria 47 nowe urikoragwo gitongoria micemanio ya kamiti cia ndundu ya aminista kumuteithiriria kuruta mawira mothe maria makonainie na wabici ya president.
I am sending an executive order for print to assign my deputy very clear responsibilities that will assist me be able to discharge the responsibility, the heavy responsibility put on my shoulders by the people of Kenya.
Oho president nuanireire munini wake no eguthukirwo wira wa gutigirira matua mothe madundu ya minister ni makinyanirio ministry-ini o ndumwe na honge-ini itiganite, na oho no arihuthikaga ta darasha gatagati ga kamiti cia kiwatho na honge iria cirugamitie maundu-ini ngurani na muno makiria ma budgeting.
Oversee the implementation of cabinet decisions across all ministries and departments. Number 4, he'll coordinate intergovernmental relations between the national government and the county government, including chairing the Intergovernmental Budget and Economic Council, commonly known as IBEC.
Ruto mahinda kwa mahinda ni arakoretwo akianirira muingi-ini ndagetikira munini wake athinikanio ni kwaga mawira ma kuruta, ikinya ria umuthi rikioneka kuhingia miario ino.
My good deputy Rigathi Gachagua, who I have a lot of regard for standing with me and working extra hours and being part of my support team, and now by God's grace he is the Deputy President of the Republic of Kenya.
Hindi ya wathani wa thirikari hituku arita munini wa president athiriti ake ni maigwikaga makiuga ni athinikanitio na njira nene na nginyagia mawira make kuhewa andu angi, no riu mawira maria makonainie na giturwa giki ni mareketie kwarirwo na kuigwo theri-ini.
Coordinate the planning and supervise the implementation of development partners funded programs and projects. And he will oversee public sector reforms and any other functions as I may assign him from time to time.
Girifotera Kameme TV retora kwa neno gari wa Kamau.